Today I'm going to show you how to cut the lace off of a lace front wig. I will start on the side and then work my way around. So first what we're going to do is we need to tie the hair back. Pull the hair back because you don't want to accidentally cut the hair. Okay, so this wig is not staying on my mannequin head very well. And the reason is I don't have these clips clipped. Okay, so you take the clips and you just, one goes into one loop and then the other one goes into the other loop. And I'm so sorry you can't see this very well. I show it in a different video too.
20 years later.
I have the clips on. Alright, so let's get this baby cut. Okay, and then the next thing that you will want to do is put some clips in just to pull any extra hair back because there's lace going all the way around to the ears, so we want to pull that back. We're going to start with the side, and then we're going to just cut all the way up through here, making sure that we cut just around all these little hairs, because these little hairs that are in here are kind of like little baby hairs, and we want to keep those there. It helps the wig look more natural. Just really carefully, I hope you guys can see this, really carefully you want to go around the hairline here. Because this is the part that's going to show, so you don't want to cut off any of those little thin hairs. It's better, if you're not sure how much lace to cut, it's better to leave a little extra and then you can cut it off than cutting too close and cutting those little baby hairs off. I interrupt this broadcast with a special message from our sponsor. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and hit the thumbs up. It'll push my videos out to more people and it will help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. It'll help my family out. I have children. I want to stay home with them. And doing YouTube is a great way to stay home with my kids. And now back to our regularly scheduled program. This one goes pretty far back, which is really cool that it goes really far back. It just makes it hard to cut. Thank you so much for watching my channel and watching how I do it. I love my loyal subscribers, like total, how's it go? Total heart for you. I just learned that. This is for you, man. This channel is all about creative living, including arts and crafts, wig vids, furniture redesign, ideas, and so much more. Woo! Done. So there's all the lace that came off. Should we try her on now? By the way, I'm actually doing a review video on this wig right here from Amazon and another wig from Amazon. This one right here, it's this really beautiful blue color. So hang tight and you will see that review video as well. So let's just go ahead and try this on and see how it looks. And this is what it looks like on. So let's check out the lace front. As you can see, I mean the hairline is pretty, kind of want to say blunt, but I think it looks, pull it down. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm probably going to do a couple things to this wig. I'll probably pluck it a little bit to make it look a little bit more realistic. I might cut some little baby hairs down here. And don't you worry, girl, I'll be doing it in a video, so you'll see it. And then once again, don't forget to watch my review video on this wig so you can know the price and all that good stuff. And thank you so much for watching this quick little tutorial. I hope you got value out of it. If you did, subscribe, thumbs up. That's it for now. You have a fantastic, wonderful day. Peace out.